Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Ultra Hardware number 61760. This is a drive-in ball catch, or a bullet catch, it's sometimes called. Bullet catches can refer to a much smaller version of these that you'd see in cabinet doors. This, I would call it a drive-in ball catch. Would be used in an interior 1 3/8 residential sort of door application, and that is indeed where you'll find it. People will buy these because they're pre-hangers or door suppliers, door manufacturers, and they're setting up a pair of doors where they're going to put this sort of ball catch into the top rail of a door. It's also bought by homeowners because they need to replace it for whatever reason. I've really never had one fatigue, but they do break. They can be broken naturally. And there you go. That would be a reason for having to purchase this. This is in a brass finish, as you can see. Includes a full lip strike. The bullet catch is a 3/4 inch size, 7/8 diameter with fins to come to a 1 3/16 sort of body length. I'm going to give you dimensions of what that is accurately in a moment. Strike plate, you know what, we'll start with that. They say that it's 1 inch face to lip. So an overall width of the strike is about 1 3/8. Center line of the screw holes to the edge of the lip, you know, that's probably where their 1 inch is coming in. About 2 1/8 inch overall height. If you're buying this as a replacement, quite frankly, you will likely not even replace the strike anyway. The diameter of the outside head, or the trim of the ball catch, it's realistically going to be 0.980, so incredibly close to 1 inch. An overall length of the body, 1.165, so basically 1 3/16 like they gave. Now there is a sleeve that's on here, and that sleeve you can pull off, but they're always installed. That is to allow you to fit this into the into a wood rail. The diameter of the body alone is 0.831. When you add that compression sleeve, just with the sleeve alone, it's 0.894, so just heavy on 13/16. Then with these two, what they call fins, .981. So drilling a hole in the top of your door, if you're doing a new installation, 0.87, you're going to want to be at 7/8 of an inch, and you might have to ream that out a little bit to get that to fit in, or 15/16. That's just shy of 1 inch. This sort of hardware is not meant, for intense scrutiny when it comes to woodworking and carpentry and routing and drilling. But, if you drilled basically a 1 inch hole, this is going to work. This will flush down to the edge of it, and you're in good shape. Drilling any less than that, if you want this head to stick out a little bit, which would be atypical. Now, the thickness of the strike, that's incredibly thin naturally. That is 0.055 inch. 0.055. I'm sorry, it's 0.041. 0.041. So, 2/3 of a 1/16 of an inch, that sort of thing. Screws are included. There will be 2 screws included for the strike. This is adjustable. You can get a tool. You can see those 2 little notches at 12 and 6, and you can rotate that counterclockwise or counterclockwise or clockwise to set the projection on that, which directly relates to how much force it takes to open and close the door. These are sold as each. They are polybagged. This is what they look like when they ship. The name Ultra Hardware is synonymous with all things, or many things, import builders hardware. Ultra does a comprehensive job of supplying many items that you'll see in a residential application. Cabinet hardware, hinges, lock sets, builders hardware like a ball catch. They also have a nice offering of commercial hardware as well, such as exit devices, door closers, hinges, and lock sets. There's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up the full line video and review the full offering from Ultra Hardware, their ever expanding product offering, I should say. If you have any questions on the Ultra Hardware 61760 drive-in style ball catch or any other Ultra Hardware product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.